Welcome to Taste Best! Today we are making caramelized chicken. Ingredients: 4-piece chicken leg quarter, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup soy sauce, and 1/2 cup brown sugar. Add 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup brown sugar in your bowl and mix all the ingredients together. Now add your 4-piece chicken leg quarter in your pan. Then we add the mixture that we made earlier. Then we cook the chicken using high heat for 20 minutes. Flip the chicken every 5 minutes. Then, you lower the heat, cover the pan, and check and flip every 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. This is how it should look like. Ta-da! Ready to eat caramelized chicken. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.